Do you think Pilates can only be performed using reformers or at a studio with others? Do you fear that it won't be effective if done individually at home? The successful practice of Pilates depends on the equipment used and the aims you wish to achieve. We are here to help you make the most of your time while doing Pilates at home. Peace of mind. As always, we must remember that the mission is balanced, body, mind and soul. Pilates is known to improve mood and body awareness. Doing Pilates at home combines the tranquility of being at home and helps in keeping the emphasis on your body's core. No one to judge you at home, with no need to engage in overblown moves, and obviously, it saves a lot of time also. Equipment for doing Pilates at home. Unlike yoga, Pilates involves a flow of specific movements. The bands, springs, or a mat that helps you achieve the best results while doing Pilates at home. The equipment choice depends on your capacities and targets. And even without any form of equipment, you can maneuver with your body weight to tone your muscles during Pilates at home. Workout clothes. The tighter the clothes you wear during Pilates, the more pleasant it will feel throughout the session. Quality, not the quantity of movements, your breath, and the contraction of muscles remain central in pilot practices. Tight clothing would help you to monitor the alignment of your strengths and body continuously. And you wouldn't want to slip during the session, or get your sweatpants bunched up while doing Pilates at home. Expected results. Just like the equipment, Pilates exercises must be modified according to your needs and abilities. Don't get intimidated, nothing is perfect. It may, however, take some trial and error to find the best method, type, and style for doing Pilates at home. So settle yourself in a well-lit, spacious area, and put on your favorite music to get in the vibe. Research has shown that it is better to perform in front of a mirror, however, it's not that critical but still recommended. No matter how much time you have spent, remember that you are helping yourself physically and mentally while engaging in any mind-body workout.